In this tutorial video we will show you how to register in NPSC Helpdesk. Go to NPSC Helpdesk and navigate to Sign In. Click on Create an account. Enter your email ID. Enter your full name. Enter your phone number. Enter your password. Finally, click on Register. A confirmation message will be shown. Next, activate or confirm the email account. Check in the spam if the account confirmation email is not in the inbox. Click on the URL to confirm your account. Account is now confirmed. The registration process is now completed. You can also navigate to Profile to view your details. Navigate to Tickets to view the archives of open or closed ticket. You can also create new ticket. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.